Not me.
I'm also a YouTuber.
Welcome to today's videos. Today I'm going to be playing by myself with no friends.
Purple. What is purple?
Take me there. And I got my friend right here. This is my friend. So we're going to be playing Only Up in Scary Baboon. So let's go into it. So this is
you
what
playing
it looks like
Minecraft?
right now, and that will look like 5 seconds.
You playing Minecraft?
And this is what the meat man's look like. I'll be playing for hours.
Yeah, I'm fucking weird.
No!
Yo, it's only
You play Minecraft? You play Minecraft? I like your Jeep. You playing Minecraft?
Is it annoying to fall?
You playing Minecraft? You playing Minecraft? I like your Jeep. I'm going the hard way.
Do you want to speed running the map with my friends? Huh? Yeah, I'm speed running the map with my friends. What you said? What you said?
No.
Green. Yeah. Green. Yeah. Oh, can I be your friend? Green, you fell too. You fell too. Yeah. I was about to go to that flamingo. Why was it? Okay. I'm new. Green, stay. Okay, stay there. Stay there. I need to go do something. Okay. Okay. Now, what do you need to go do? Because you're gonna fall down there.
I'm going.
No. What would I tell you? Who wants to be in the video? I need to do it with
me.
I need to do it. Yeah. Go down.
No!
What? I fall. Mine was 46 seconds. You're great. Oh, no. Green. Goodbye. Come on. If you have a coming, come on. We got. I like to do this. Yeah. Hey, Bonnie, come and get me. Come and get me, Bonnie. Bonnie, you can't get me. Oh, no. Come and get me again. Oh my gosh, she's right behind me. My God, how you ever make it? Blue jeans, wait me up. Go. Jeans. Oh my God, what's it? Go.
Ling angry.
Yo, guys, should I put my headset in the microwave? Okay, better. Okay. Oh, I did. Oh my God, how you fall? No, I was just about to jump. Bro, I literally fell off the map.
No!
No people. I put my headset in the microwave. I did that.
Give me
banned. I'm putting my headset in the microwave.
I'm saying cuss words.
Bro, he's been in the microwave. I'm putting mine. Bro, his headset blew up. That's why you shouldn't put your headset in the freaking microwave. Guess what? I put my headset in the microwave. No, the air. Friend. I put my headset in the microwave.
Wait, hold on, bro. 1
I did
second.
that as a kid. Huh? I'm gonna do it again. Wait for me. Okay. I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Okay, let's go this way. It doesn't make that sound because